This is going to be a video tutorial on how to check spelling in Gmail. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have my browser open now and I am logged into Gmail. I have begun to compose an email down here. And as you can see here, I have numerous spelling mistakes here. Gmail has its own little built-in feature that will check your spelling for you. To access that, all you have to do is go down to the bottom to where you see the little three-dot hamburger menu, and you want to click on that, and then you will click on Check Spelling. And then Gmail highlights the words that are misspelled. And if you place your mouse cursor over it and click on it, I'm going to left click on it, it'll bring up the proper spelling. I'm going to go on to the next one. I'm going to place my cursor over it. I'm going to click on it, check. Go on to the next one. I'm going to place my mouse cursor over it. I'm going to left click on it, composing, and the final one. Then down at the bottom, you could click on Recheck if you would like for it to check again. I'm going to click on Recheck. And that's it. That's how you spell check in Gmail. Thanks for watching.